clip from Purdue University shows a relationship between vapor pressure of a pure solvent and vapor pressure of a solution. So on the left over here, I've got pure water. And you can see the water molecules are escaping during boiling process, and they're producing then, of course, some vapor pressure. On the right, I've got a solution. The big green spheres are chlorides. The little blue spheres are sodium ions. And they're basically introducing another force. They're somehow retaining the water molecules, giving another intermolecular force that's sort of strongly holding the water molecules back. So in general, you can see there are sort of fewer water molecules escaping over here on the right relative to the water molecules that are escaping from the pure solvent on the left. Consequently, solutions have lower vapor pressure at any given temperature relative to pure solvent.